If you guys like how I do my chart analysis on YouTube and you want to learn how to do it yourself, click the link below to check out the Vee Trades technical analysis course. What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I'll be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Kinder Morgan with the ticker symbol KMI. This was a viewer's request, and thank you for your donation. If you want a chart analysis guaranteed to be done, please read the description below. Also, take a second to give the video a like and subscribe for more chart analysis. I appreciate it very much. This video is for entertainment purposes only and does not constitute any financial advice. I will first go over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. Here we have another energy company which specializes in oil and gas pipelines, and we all know that gas prices continue to rise because you can see the oil chart is a nice bullish uptrend. Show you guys that right now. Let's take a look at US oil. I'm going to click on it right now. So you can see the very bullish action for oil since pretty much 2020. We bottomed right here near the negative, and we had a nice pop up, and we've been working up ever since pretty much April of 2020. So looks like we're probably going to be targeting the highs that US oil made at the 130 level. So again, this is per barrel. We're probably going to knock that out and make higher highs and new all-time highs. So it looks like prices struggled to get below the EMA and stay below it. You can see the buyers bought back every dip. So it's a very strong chart, and this is going to lead to higher energy prices. So let's go back to Kinder Morgan and let's take a look at this daily chart. Again, it's very similar, meaning the uptrend is still in play. I'll show you guys that right now with the channel, and we're still inside of this channel. The price bars are respecting the channel support and resistance, so this is definitely the correct channel for this chart. You can see that these are buying opportunities near the support side of the channel because people are looking at this area on the chart and buying at points that could reverse prices to the top side, and that's what you get right here. Looks like we're gonna make a new all-time high. I'll be shocked if we don't. At the new all-time high for this uptrend. You see the sell-off started at the $20.18 level, so we sold off, bounced a couple times from the support side of the channel, and looks like we're reversing back up to make a new high of this uptrend channel. So that's what it looks like prices are doing. Seeing a lot of buying off of this level, which is good. So I'm going to be expecting continuation of that buying. Let's take a look at some targets that prices could reach. You see this was the first move up, this was the second move up, and we went right to that measured move target at the 1914 level, and before we started seeing a pullback in the market. But you can see that prices still bounced from the support side of the channel, and prices continued higher. So most likely we need to look at a bigger target, which I'll show you guys that right now. If we do create that bigger target, which most likely we will, the target that I have is right around the, give me 1 second, let me just drag this over, right at the $21 level. So that's my next target for this up move. That's where it looks like buyers are targeting, and it's also near the top side of the channel, which makes sense. So there's a couple of reasons why we should continue to this target. And if I do another measured move, a more recent leg, you can see that there's some confluence because they're both meeting again at that point. So traders are looking at multiple measured moves to confirm where they should hold their position to before they get out. That's why we can start probably seeing some pullbacks or retracement at this level, because buyers are getting out, sellers are coming in. So we're gonna see the prices drop, and until we probably come to the support side of the channel, and which will probably hold up prices again. So everything's looking pretty good for this chart. Gonna probably see higher prices for energy. I don't see anything as right now that's telling me prices are gonna reverse. But we can go and wrap this up on the weekly chart. Here we have the weekly chart for KMI. Again, bottomed in 2020. We've been reversing ever since. So again, a very bullish chart, looking for higher prices. This company is pretty large and they do pay a dividend. So not investment advice, but if you invest into this stock, you can benefit from the appreciation of the asset or the stock, and also the dividends to offset any increasing energy prices that you may be experiencing. So even if you do invest and prices go up maybe just a little bit, maybe for the next 6 months to a year, well, and it comes back to break even, you can get out of your position and at least lock in the dividends that you got paid. So again, bunch of ways you could do this, but I definitely see higher prices. I'll be shocked if we reverse, because it definitely looks like it's an energy cycle as of right now. Here's a weekly chart. We see a massive sell-off since 2015, all the way bottomed in 2016. We came back to that bottom in 2016 right here, and we stopped out the buyers before continuing higher. That's what the market likes to do, double test some levels or even stop people out to take their positions. And now it looks like we're working higher inside of this probably almost decade-long range. So definitely looks like we're range bound, and looks like we're working back up to the top side of the range, which is where prices most likely headed, which is right over here. And this target is right around the $23.19. So it looks like prices are targeting the top side of the range, and I say that because the measured move is also there. So just market structure where prices move is the top side of the range, and the measured moves at the top side of the range, and the trend is still in place. So a lot of reasons why we should reach the top side of the range, which is right over here. Now we could find resistance like we did back here in 2020, which led to a massive sell-off, or even over here, which led to lower prices. So again, there's something to be paying attention to, that this is a possible reversal area. Once we reach it, most likely we will. So we could see reversal, and that might end the bullish momentum. But again, it's all dependent on how strong the uptrend is, and I believe we will probably break it this time. So if we do break it and we see a multi-year bull trend, where are we going? We're going to make a measured move outside of the range, possibly entering the $34-$35 target. So again, a lot of upside potential. Looks pretty good on the chart. Again, things can change. Like I said before, we could find resistance at that $24 level and $23 level and reverse back down. We could even find resistance pretty soon, but as right now, you can see that we're continuing to work higher, and I think they want to reach these higher price targets before anything else happens. So that's all I have for KMI. Thank you for stopping by and checking out my video. Make sure to check out the rest of the channel, since you might be surprised what you can learn. Leave a comment down below on where you think prices are headed. Also share the video if you want your friends to learn about the markets. Lastly, I appreciate any feedback to help improve the channel, since I want to deliver great content to you guys. See you next time, and bye.